I thought I'd take you on my journey today. I'm going to try a new approach to eyelashes. Never tried it before, so let's see how we get on. Okay, this is from Kiss. It's called Falscara. This starter kit gives you the wisps, which are the new eyelashes you'll be having, the bonding glue, the seal, and the applicator. And you can also buy separate kits of extra eyelashes and different styles of eyelash to try. This is my first time, so we're in this together. Right, let's do a before shot. I've got no mascara or eyeliner on, so we can see the contrast. Come closer. I did tint them yesterday because I knew with this new lash technique I wouldn't be wearing any mascara or eyeliner for a little while. Let's see if I can do it. I feel quite nervous. First of all is the Falscara Bond. So I'm going to put that on first. That comes on this little black brush. I'm not going to do the whole eye, I'm just going to do the end bit first and do it a bit at a time, I think. Because it's my first time. So that's going in at the root. In it comes. Angle it the way your lashes are going up. So maybe that way is better. Oh, that looks great. Now it's not the easiest eye for me to do because this eye's been split open twice. I had it split across here in a karate fight once. And then I had this brow split through here. I ran through a glass wall when I was on tour in Russia with Pierce Brosnan. Hey, that's another story. But very luckily for me, each time the splits have sort of gone in line with my features, so you can't really see them. And then once you've put the bond on, you then put the seal on, which I believe stops it being sticky. So this is how you take it out of the case with the applicator. Little tug and there it is. And it's that bit you put underneath. Right, should we do the second one? Okay, going back in with the bond, which is the black one, and you make sure it touches where the last one went in, so you're just going to come in again with the next lash. Then you can use the flat end of this to just squeeze it a bit more into your lashes. And then follow with the seal, which takes the stickiness off and just holds it in place. I have seen people attempt to do it all in one go. I think I would just do it a tiny bit at a time. That way you have a bit more control. You can see it's building up quite nicely. Feels comfortable. Well, that's the first eye done. I did it. I've still got 2 lashes left of that side. They're like mini strips. So I've either got very small eyes or they give you a couple of spares, so that's good to know. Right, I'll start on the next eye now. While doing this, I would give yourself lots of time. It's fiddly and tricky the first time you do it. I'm sure it'll get easier. I would definitely do work on a lash at a time. I don't think I would do the whole lot in one go. That could probably be a nightmare, I think, until you get used to using them. And have some either eye makeup remover or wet wipes, biodegradable wet wipes, on hand in case you do make any mistakes, because the bond does come off really easily if you use that, and then just go over with a tissue so it's fresh to start again, and they're quite easy to refix if you do make a mistake. Right, on to eye 2. So the technique I'm developing is I'm going from the outside of the row towards the centre. The first thing I'm doing is picking up the lash. Then I'm putting that down because it sort of stays in the applicator just about. Then I'm putting on the bond just for the width of the actual lashes. Then I'm going to stick on the lash and then put on the sealant and then do the next one. On goes the bond. Then in comes the lash. Just lifting up the eye slightly so you can get the correct purchase. Beautiful. Till it falls off. Okay, I think I need a bit more glue. Let's go in with a bit more bond. Do that again. Just got it on my face again. I'll wipe that off in a minute. And we have the lash. Make sure it's at an easy usable angle to pop underneath your eye. Lashes. Oh, nice. Squeeze it together. Fixes it. And this is the end result. You may need to do an allergy test. It has got a bonding agent, which is a glue essentially, and a sealant, and of course the lashes. So as with any product you ever use, you always have to know it's going to be safe for you. And yeah, here's to flirty lashes.